Yep. And I'm just about to weld in my B pillar. I've moved it back by about a quarter of an inch, maybe a little bit more. And you can see a couple of spots where I've drilled a couple holes. That's where I'll be spot welding. And on the back are where most of my spot weld holes are. Let's see if I can see that. Yeah, I've got some cleanup in there to do. And I'm using that long seam on the back side to weld in the other. So, yep, there we go. And I'm done. I've got it welded in. I've checked the, I'll show you that in a sec. Back of it looks, there we go. That's all welded. That's all ground down. All the welds are down. I'll paint that up and show you here in a sec. Importantly, the rocker fits perfectly now. So, nice and good there. A little bit of a gap that I can pound out with a hammer here, that is. That'll fix easily. I might just zip it down here so it fits in easier. And oops, I made that hole larger, and what looks like silver is actually just bubbled up paint. Well, maybe it is silver. Yeah, well, I'll repaint that area over a couple times actually, so that the drain goes where the drain needs to go. So I've not yet hung the door, rehung the door to see how things are going, but you know, I've got the distance I need. And let's take a look at this. I do think that this panel's a bit dorked up. It's been mentioned that this thing is awful thick, and it is. It's real thick, but here, let me press pause. Okay, so here's the shut face, gently held in my my vise, and I've got the camera just about 90 degrees onto it, perpendicular to it, and you can see how it's a bit twisted. It's higher. By the way, that's paint. That's not anything else, but this is higher than down here. And I don't understand why, so I may cut there and guide the whole thing down. I hate massaging shit like this. I really do. You know, I'm trusting when it comes to patch panels like this, but yeah, no, that's what I'm probably going to have to do. I realize this isn't something that you weld on. Oh well.